Kata Heian SANDAN. The techniques used. Kata movement 1 and 4. Uchi-Uke. Blocking of the forearm from the inside to the outside. Kōkutsu-Dachi, back stance. Kata movement 2, 3, 5, 6. Gedan Baraï. Downward block, lower level. Uchi-Uke. Blocking of the forearm from the inside to the outside. Heisoku-Dachi, closed foot stance. Kata movement 7. Morote-Uke, double blocking with both arms. Kōkutsu-Dachi, back stance. Kata movement 8. Chūdan Nukite, spear hand strike, middle level. Osahei-Uke, downward block, with the palm of the hand. Zenkutsu-Dachi, front stance. Kata movement 9. Chūdan Tetsui Yoko-Uchi, lateral attack with the underside of the closed fist, in the shape of a hammer, middle level. Hikite, pull the other hand back. Kiba-Dachi, horse riding stance. Kata movement 10, the first Kiai on this movement. Oï-Zuki, front punch to the same side of the leg. Zenkutsu-Dachi, front stance. Kata movement 11. Ryo-Ken-Kochi-Kamae, pivot 180 degrees on the right foot to the left. Heisoku-Dachi, closed foot stance. Kata movement 12, 14, 16. Yoko-Fumikomi, lateral penetrating kick. Yoko-MP-Uchi, lateral elbow block. Kata movement 13, 15, 17. Jōdan Uraken Tate-Uchi, back fist punch, vertical, upper level. Kiba-Dachi, horse riding stance. Kata movement 18. Tate Chūdan Shuto-Uke, knife hand block, vertical, middle level. Hikite, pull the other hand back with a closed fist. Kiba-Dachi, horse riding stance. Oï-Zuki, front punch to the same side of the leg. Zenkutsu-Dachi, front stance. Kata movement 19 and 20. The second Kiai on movement 20. Jōdan Mawashi-Zuki, circular punch, upper level. Ushiro-MP-Uchi, elbow strike to the back. Like, subscribe and hit the bell to get all notifications.